Hello, I want to show you my mountain board project that I did, and this I bought this mountain board to practice on snowboarding, but with I believe the mountain board is the closest thing to snowboarding while the season is summer and waiting for the winter. So by winter, I'm hoping got I had enough practice to be better at it. But what I did instead is I added motor to it, and this motor is a hoverboard motor. You see those two wheels down there. That's from the hoverboard, and also the battery. Now the tracks I bought separate from eBay. Apparently they sell these tracks. Now you can mount this type of motors on it, and it worked perfect. And I also bought the controller. Now I believe the controller I got for somewhere around $60, and a used hoverboard I got for $30, and this mountain board I got for 99 bucks. So somewhere around $200 is the cost of this project, but it works great. It goes from 10 to 15 miles per hour, but I'm sure for you guys, for some of you guys, that is way too slow. To make it faster, I'm thinking maybe I can put another motor on this side and also a battery. Um, but the thing is, I may have to buy another controller that actually controls four wheels, because I'm not sure if you can sync a different controller with this controller. Yeah, I just don't have enough experience. But let me know if you guys have done that, and give me some ideas. If you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe. Put your comments on it, and I'll make another video if I do read some ideas, and I'll make a second video. But right now, I don't have any inclination or inspiration to make this faster. 10 to 15 miles per hour works fine by me, but I'm 150 pounds right now, and when I put this weights in, going above 150 pounds, uh, this unit, this motorized mountain board does not do well on a rougher terrain or an incline. So I'm sure four wheel drive would solve all that, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure exactly if it'll go faster than 15 miles per hour. Maybe 20, but I would think that's about it. Yeah, subscribe, and put your comments. And if you give me a good idea, I'll make sure to make another video, and dedicate that video on those ideas and mention you. All right. I'm looking forward to your comments.